In today's class, we will delve into the subject of introduction to local crafts. Craft is the meticulous utilization of hands to craft functional and ornamental items from basic materials. Furthermore, craft can be described as the handcrafted manifestation showcasing unique artisanship skills. Craft encompasses activities that involve the adept creation of both utilitarian and embellished products using hands and locally sourced materials. Craftsmen, or artisans, specialize in crafting diverse works of art, employing their skills to sustain their livelihoods in Nigeria. Varieties of crafts and their locations in Nigeria: tie and dye, Kano, Abeokuta, Sokoto, and Oshogbo. Batik, Abeokuta and Oshogbo. Applique, Anambra. Bead making, Bida, Ife, Ilorin, and Benin. Metal craft, Ife, Benin, Zaria, and Anambra. Pottery, all Nigerian states. Basketry, Zaria, Igbo land, Katsina, and Kano. Cloth weaving, Isain, Kogi, and Imo. Mat weaving, Zaria, Kano, Katsina, Bida, Ikotek Pene, and Badagry. Wood carving, Oyo, Ife, and Benin. Stone carving, Ife and Isia. Calabash carving, Oyo. Leather works, Kano, Sokoto, Kwara, Kaduna, and Zamfara. Cane weaving, Delta, Igbo land. Paper crafts, across all Nigerian states. The significance of crafts. Typically, various craftworks serve domestic roles within our households. Beads, in the form of anklets, bracelets, and necklaces, complement women's attire. The functions of these crafts are enumerated below. 1. Baskets find purpose in domestic settings. 2. Mats fulfill domestic needs like sitting, sleeping, and prayer. 3. Mortar and pestle play a role as cooking utensils, especially for pounding yam. 4. Tea cups are designed for consuming tea, with saucers providing a base for the cups. 5. Some wooden and soapstone sculptures hold significance in religious worship, while others embellish interior spaces. 6. Leather bags are designated for safeguarding valuable items. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.